Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This video you're about to see now is going to be a different one. I'm actually going to do an unboxing. I just got sent this package from the United States and it's supposed to be a haunted object in this package. This is my first time doing things like this. So if you like it, just leave it in the comments if you want more of this. Like, owning a haunted object is kind of scary. So yeah, if you see here, the K2, I have a RAM pod and also this package. So I'm gonna set everything up and we will start the unboxing. So yeah, just wait a second.
Want to use the same flashlights we use when we are out exploring? Click on the link in the description and get a 10% discount from Valastore.
Okay guys, this is the box. I just set up the RAM pod and stuff. Yeah, let's dive in. Oh my god, there's a lot of paper. Yeah, and the RAM pod just... Oh my god. The second I... Oh my god. No. No. Stop. Oh my god. Did you see? Like seriously, the second I get, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I will try again. Every time I'm using my knife on this box, the RAM pod goes off. Oh my god. Okay. I will try to keep this uncut, but I just have to do this. Watch this. Okay, it's quiet now. Stop. What? Oh Lord. Okay. Okay, there's nothing more in here. We have a bag. Okay. And we have a freaking sock monkey. Oh shit. Isn't this a creepy sock monkey? Oh Lord. Look at that sock monkey. Okay. Hello there. Oh my god. So this is supposed... This is kind of big though. Look at this. So this is supposed to be a haunted sock monkey. So okay. I think I'm gonna open the spirit talker actually. Yeah, the K2 is going off. Good to know, good to know. Let's open the, you can see it, the spirit talker here, and see if we can get some answers from this. The K2 is going wild. So, who's with me? With the sock monkey? It's kind of cute though. But the K2 is going off, and the rampart is still is quiet now. The K2 over here. Who's with me? Can you give me a name? I can't look at that. He's so freaky. Oh my god, so creepy. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to do this uncut so you can see what's going on. Like this is the first time I'm doing stuff like this. If you want to send us haunted items, go ahead. I will open them and film it for you guys. But yeah, it's kind of quiet though on the spirit talker and on the rampart. If you want to talk, others. But can you give me a name? Who are you? Oh, look at this, look at this. The K2 is going off, and it's not the camera, it's not the phone. It's very hard to see on, yeah, look there.
I'm walking around.
You are walking around. Can you stop walking around and talk to me? That's my portable studio light, by the way. I'm on vacation. K2 is spiking. Like.
I'm in the corner.
You are in the corner. No, what? But can you give me a name? Like, who are you? Sorry for the background noise, but that tapping was not a car or something.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Who are you? Can you give me a name?
My lungs collapsed.
You. Oh my fucking god. My lungs collapsed. Are you kidding me? Is that how you died? My lungs collapsed. Oh my god. And the K2. Oh shit. Oh my god. When did you die? And how old were you when you died? Who is attached to this sock monkey?
Filming.
Yeah, I'm filming. Yeah, I'm filming you. Oh my god, this is creepy. I'm here alone by myself, talking to a haunted sock monkey. Jesus.
Good morrow.
Tomorrow. But can you please give me a name? Oh, the K2 is spiking. Oh my god. Can you touch the ramp pod over there? No? Oh, touch the K2?
Battle.
Battle. Okay. Oh my god. Who are you battling with?
Come back again.
I'm here. Staring.
I feel hopeless.
Why are you feeling hopeless? Oh shit! The K2 just spiked to red. Oh my god. This is so fucking scary. I'm sorry that I'm scary. Like, really guys. Do you like this alone thing? It's kind of scary, just as you know. Oh my god. Look at that monkey. Can you touch the ramp pod over there? Can only do this and it will go off.
Look below.
Yeah, where? It's on my feet over here. Can you please give me a name? I don't know if this is gonna be a long video or maybe the K2 is still going off here.
We're hiding.
Where are you hiding? Can you give me a name? That's a suck monkey though. Oh my god. It's kind of creepy though. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna film till the camera go out. It's uncut. I'm gonna post it. Oh, the K2. Oh, where's the K2? Wonderful, and the K2 going off again. Oh my god. It's kind of scary though. But yeah, K2 is going off. Can you knock on something? Can you knock on the? Or can you do like this? It's so scary.
My stomach.
My stomach. What? Yeah, I don't know if you guys think this
Bernadette.
is your name Bernadette. But the things I was talking about, if you guys think this is boring, just skip ahead. This is new for me, just as you know. I want to do this more, but the K2 is going. It's not. Yeah, it's still going off. Yeah, it's kind of quiet now. I think I'm gonna end it here, and I will update you guys if something more happen off camera, and how my life with
I'm an angel.
You're an angel. You are a good demon, my good spirit. That's just a demon. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, I will update you how my life with this haunted sock monkey is. So it's gonna be exciting, and I think I'm gonna end it there. hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe, and see you.